This is a Next Weather Alert from CBS News Miami.
I'm going to head back to the Next Weather Share with Shane, and you are tracking these storms, and they are creating significant impacts both here in Miami-Dade and Broward for festivals, for streets. So what's the latest here, Shane?
That's right. I know a lot of people, Chelsea, on their Sunday trying to get out, maybe enjoy a Sunday dinner. This is one of those afternoons that if you don't have to be on the roads, I would strongly encourage you to just kind of spend time at home with the family. Here's why. We are tracking two currently active flash flood warnings. We've had flood advisories. We've had a tornado warning even for further inland areas earlier today. But right now it's the flash flood warnings that I want to highlight for you. First, we are going to start with eastern Miami-Dade. This area has received anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rainfall in gauges between downtown, Brickell, and even Miami Beach. We've been getting reports of flooding in streets and businesses on Miami Beach as well, near 15th Street. Flash flood warning is also going to be in effect as you make your way closer to central Miami-Dade. The one for eastern Miami-Dade will be allowed to expire at 7 p.m. I've heard from the National Weather Service. This one that's impacting mostly the Kendall area, that one is going to be in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else we are going to be tracking, though, as we go throughout the day. We're giving you more of a closer look at some of those rainfall reports. Really want to highlight the ones that we saw at South Point Park. Almost 4.5 inches of rainfall. Bayfront Park over 4.2 inches. Be mindful, that's where the Ultra Music Festival is currently taking place. North Perry Airport over 2 inches, and Fort Lauderdale Airport did break a daily rainfall record with over 2 inches of rainfall earlier this afternoon. Here's why we're seeing these showers and storms. We have this upper level disturbance that's currently swinging through the northern and central portion of Florida. That's going to continue pushing out toward the east. However, we are still going to see some lingering showers and storms on the back half of that disturbance, and then we could see maybe some of our winds moving in from the southeast, helping to initiate a few additional showers and storms for tomorrow afternoon into the early evening. Let's take a look at the Next Weather Rain Tracker. Here's what we're dealing with for today. We have a few more lingering showers and storms that will be possible over the next several hours. Those will fizzle apart overnight, and it should be a mostly dry overnight period. Mostly dry start to our day tomorrow, but then you do notice tomorrow afternoon around 1 or 2 p.m. we start to see an additional batch of scattered showers and storms. I do have us at about a 40% chance for those showers to continue. Not calling for a Next Weather Alert day tomorrow just yet. Keep in mind, though, we might have to if we get any flooding due to these saturated grounds that we've dealt with today. The good news is we will be seeing a drier trend take place as we head into the rest of the work week. Your hourly forecast for the rest of the day shows that our best rain chances are going to be for the next 1 to 3 hours. Then it quiets down as we head overnight. Temperatures will stabilize in the mid-70s. We'll wake up tomorrow anywhere from the lower to mid-70s. Might be even a bit stickier in Miami. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we're starting a little bit closer to 75 degrees due to that cloud coverage kind of trapping in all that moisture. Tomorrow, here's your rain timeline. I do think that our rain chances and storm chances start to trend upwards at around 2 or 3 o'clock. I think the peak of our rain chances will be around 4 o'clock, and then they'll start to kind of stabilize as we see those temperatures cool down with that loss of daytime heating. Still going to be warm and humid for tomorrow. I'm thinking highs closer to the mid-80s, maybe some inland areas making it to the upper 80s, lower 80s if you are spending the day in the Keys. 7-day forecast shows that we are going to have a mostly dry work week, but we have to make it through tomorrow. Keep the umbrella near for the afternoon. I don't think you'll need it for the morning, but you could have a bit of a sticky commute back home from work tomorrow. Temperatures are going to kind of hover around the mid-80s each and every afternoon, but it'll feel like it's closer to 90 degrees because we got that south and southeasterly breeze pumping up the moisture. As we take a look into the back half of the work week and into the weekend, sunshine returns, and it looks like our rain chances should wind down for next week, Chelsea.